Stunning Pinewood creations, DIY projects, furniture, and crafts. Pinewood, with its natural beauty and versatility, has become a go-to material for many woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Known for its soft texture, light color, and distinct grain patterns, pinewood is not only easy to work with but also relatively affordable. Whether you're looking to create custom furniture pieces, decorative crafts, or functional home accessories, pinewood can bring your creative ideas to life. In today's video, we'll dive into some stunning pinewood creations you can try at home, from unique DIY projects to elegant furniture and crafts that will add a special touch to any space. Pinewood is widely loved for its versatility, and one of the main reasons it is so popular is its ability to be transformed into almost anything. With just a little creativity and some basic tools, you can make your very own beautiful creations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, pinewood is the perfect medium for a range of exciting projects. Pinewood furniture creations. Let's start with pinewood furniture, a timeless option that brings warmth and character to any space. From sleek modern pieces to rustic farmhouse designs, pinewood is an excellent choice for crafting furniture due to its lightweight nature and smooth finish. Pine's straight grain allows for easy sanding and finishing, and the wood takes stain and paint beautifully. For starters, why not create a pinewood coffee table? This project is perfect for any skill level. You can design a simple rectangular or square table, giving it a sleek finish with a rich wood stain, or leave it in its natural state for a more rustic look. You can also add a pop of color to your coffee table by painting it with your choice of vibrant hues, bringing a modern, contemporary feel to your living room. Another great pinewood furniture project is a pinewood bookshelf. Whether you're looking to add storage to your living room or organize your study space, a bookshelf made from pinewood can be both functional and beautiful. The natural grain of the pine adds texture and depth to the piece, and you can choose to keep it simple or incorporate unique design features like open shelving or even a distressed, weathered finish for a more rustic aesthetic. Customizing the bookshelf to fit your space is easy, and you can play around with different sizes and designs to suit your needs. If you're in need of pinewood storage solutions, consider creating a chest of drawers or a storage bench. These pieces not only add style to your home, but also provide much-needed storage for blankets, clothes, or other household items. The beauty of pinewood furniture lies in its ability to be easily personalized to match your home decor, whether you prefer something sleek and modern or a more vintage, cottage-style look. Pinewood wall decor and accents. Now that we've covered furniture, let's move on to pinewood wall decor, another fantastic way to incorporate pine into your home. The natural color of pine lends itself perfectly to rustic or minimalist design, making it ideal for creating statement pieces. One popular project is creating pinewood wall art, where you can combine multiple pieces of pine wood to form geometric patterns or abstract shapes. This project can range from simple, clean lines to more intricate designs that give your wall a custom, handcrafted look. For a personalized touch, consider crafting a pinewood sign. You can create custom family name signs, inspirational quotes, or signs for your garden or front porch. Simply cut the pine to the desired shape, sand it smooth, and then carve or paint your design. You can finish the sign with a coat of varnish to protect the wood and bring out its natural beauty. Another great way to use pine for wall decor is by making pinewood shelves. These can range from floating shelves that create an industrial look to rustic corner shelves that provide both function and style. Pine's smooth finish allows for easy customization, whether you want to keep it simple with a natural wood finish or paint it to match your room's color scheme. If you're looking to create something truly special, you can even design pinewood photo frames to display your favorite memories. Whether you're framing family photos, vacation pictures, or artwork, a custom pinewood frame adds a touch of charm and warmth to any space. The best part is that you can customize the frame to any size and add personalized details like decorative carvings or paint accents to make it uniquely yours. Pinewood crafts and small projects. Moving on to smaller, more intricate projects, pinewood is perfect for crafting small, decorative pieces that can enhance your home's aesthetics. Pinewood coasters are a simple yet practical project that's easy to make and can be personalized for any occasion. You can make round or square coasters, and even add a layer of epoxy resin to create a glossy finish that will protect the wood while adding a touch of elegance. Another small project is Pinewood trays, which are perfect for serving breakfast in bed, storing keys and mail by the front door, or using as decorative accents on your coffee table. The tray's natural color and smooth texture can be paired with other materials like metal handles or ceramic accents for a chic, custom look. Pinewood lamps and lighting fixtures. Pinewood is also a fantastic material for creating lighting fixtures. Whether you're interested in making a unique wooden table lamp or a statement wooden pendant light, Pinewood can add a rustic or natural element to your home's lighting design. The light color of pine allows it to blend seamlessly with a variety of light bulbs and lamp styles, from soft, warm Edison bulbs to modern LED designs. A wooden desk lamp can be a stylish addition to your home office or study area. With a simple wooden base and a sleek shade, the lamp adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your workspace. For a more dramatic effect, you can design a wooden chandelier using pine slats, creating an industrial or farmhouse-inspired light fixture that becomes the centerpiece of your dining room or living space. Pinewood outdoor projects. Finally, Pinewood can also be used for outdoor projects. Whether you're creating a wooden garden bench, a wooden birdhouse, or even a pinewood garden gate, the durability and natural beauty of pine make it an excellent choice for outdoor applications. Although pinewood is softer than hardwoods, it can be treated with appropriate sealants and finishes to ensure its longevity in outdoor environments. A pinewood planter box can be an easy yet stylish project to enhance your garden, patio, or balcony. You can create rectangular or square boxes to house your favorite plants, herbs, or flowers. The natural wood finish will complement any greenery, and you can personalize the boxes with paint or stencils to match your outdoor decor. With some weatherproofing treatment, your pinewood planter boxes will last for seasons to come. Pinewood is a fantastic choice for woodworking projects due to its versatility, ease of use, and natural charm. Whether you're building a simple garden bench or designing a custom piece of furniture, pine offers endless possibilities for creativity. Its soft, light color creates a calming and welcoming atmosphere, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. When crafting a garden bench, for example, you can choose a clean, classic design with straight lines for a minimalist aesthetic, or you can experiment with more intricate details like armrests, backrests, or even carved patterns to give it a personalized touch. The smooth texture of pine makes it easy to work with, whether you're using hand tools or power tools, and its lightweight nature means it's easy to handle and move around during construction. A pinewood garden bench not only provides a practical seating solution, but also becomes an inviting feature in any outdoor space. Its natural grain and pale color allow it to blend beautifully with the greenery of a garden or the brightness of a patio, offering a perfect spot to sit, relax, or take in the beauty of your surroundings. With a little creativity, you can add extra touches to make it truly unique. Perhaps a slatted seat for a more rustic look or a curved backrest for added comfort. Pine's inherent warmth and beauty shine through in any outdoor structure, making it an ideal material for garden furniture. In conclusion, pinewood is an incredibly versatile material, offering endless possibilities for DIY projects, furniture creation, and decorative crafts. Its natural light color and smooth texture make it ideal for both rustic and modern designs, while its workability makes it a favorite among woodworkers of all skill levels. From custom furniture pieces like coffee tables, bookshelves, and storage units, to creative projects like wall art, lamps, and photo frames, pinewood allows you to express your creativity while adding warmth and beauty to your home. Its durability and timeless appeal ensure that the pieces you create will stand the test of time, making it an excellent choice for both functional and decorative items. Whether you're crafting small decorative pieces, building functional furniture, or designing outdoor structures like benches or planters, pinewood is a material that combines durability with natural charm. So, grab your tools, embrace the possibilities, and let pinewood become your next favorite medium for all your woodworking projects. Its beauty and versatility will help you create pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also bring a touch of nature into your living space.